What would be the most famous Korean food in the world? Could be 불고기, kimchi, or even tteokbokki. There's another one. I think you already know about bibimbap. Yes, I'm going to make bibimbap today with the ingredients you can get easily. There are some vegetables Korean think you need for traditional bibimbap. I will show them first. Spinach, bracken, and balloon flower root. But except for the spinach, the other two are not that easy to prepare for bibimbap. So we just buy it from the side dish shop, and they actually make this kind of set menu for those three vegetables. However, you can make your own bibimbap with the leftover vegetables in your fridge. Well, these are the ingredients for today's bibimbap. Something leftovers in my fridge. I wonder you already noticed these ingredients quite similar to a stir-fried glass noodle dish. But this time I use beef instead of pork, julienne already, and shiitake mushroom, stem off, onion, carrot, and zucchini for green color. Well, I didn't use spinach this time, but you can use spinach for green color for this dish. Egg for topping later. Well, as you know, you can change these ingredients as you want. Anyway, let's start cooking. Well, starting with marinating meat. Marinating the beef with simple ingredients like soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, and a little bit of pepper. Then leave it while you prepare the vegetables. Koreans usually make all the vegetables julienne or sliced to get, similar kind of shape for the topping like this. After prepare the vegetables like this, the cooking procedure is quite simple afterward. Just stir-fry each ingredient like this. With a little bit of heated oil, stir-fry it like this until they get cooked properly with pinch of salt for each ingredient. However, I didn't use any oil for the meat, just stir-fried. Well, all the ingredients are ready except for the eggs. I'm going to fry those eggs separately. Now, all you have to do is make sauce for bibimbap. Prepared chili paste. This is just a normal chili paste you can get from the shop. Some people make this sauce for bibimbap without any soy sauce, but I'm going to add some. I'm going to make this sauce as simple as possible, but still tasty. The simple is the best. Maybe you think sauce for the bibimbap should be spicy using chili paste, but it's not true. If you can't eat any chili food, then you can make soy sauce based one. Well, actually, I made soy sauce for the first video clip of my channel. Anyway, after make sauce, prepare the rice. I usually add other grains when I cook the rice. Anyway, put the stir-fried vegetables one by one on the rice. Today I prepared 2 servings, so I'm using the half of each ingredients for 1 serving. When you make bibimbap in Korea, well, protein ingredients like meat or egg is a kind of basic ingredients for this dish. But, believe or not, without any meat, this bibimbap is really tasty. So I recommend this dish to vegetarians. After finished topping, just add the fried egg on top like this. Does this look similar to what you expect for bibimbap? Well, you can serve the sauce inside, but nowadays we serve the sauce separately like this. Well, thanks for watching and see you next time.